I'm an artificial intelligence researcher on the LEAF team with background in deep learning and evolutionary computation. I try to stay on the forefront of cutting edge research, try to understand what's out there and how to incorporate new methods in order to move it forward. Evolutionary approaches are great. So say you have some tool set that you've come up with and I have some tool set I've come up with. Evolution gives very natural ways to say, okay, we're merging these two into some larger set, some larger population of tools, and we have some universal problems we're trying to solve. And now we say any problem in that universe can use these tools, and we see which ones are used, and this, instead of having the tool set blow up like exponentially as you try to solve more and more problems, it actually gets iteratively refined and compactified down until what you're left with at any given moment is this compact set, which is basically all the tools that give you maximum performance at any given time. Evolution, one of my favorite things about it is it doesn't really care that deep learning exists. I mean, we use deep learning as a substrate for evolution because it's one of the most powerful tools that we have right now, but it's sort of this plug and play where if something came out tomorrow and deep learning became obsolete, we would very quickly be able to adapt to incorporate that new substrate into evolution. Basically, if someone has an approach and they're trying to make it work in a particular machine learning regime or setting, they'll bring in a lot of different assumptions or just to make the analysis work. From an evolutionary perspective, when you see any of these assumptions come in, you see an opportunity, which is this is like a door that you can open and just totally blow up this method out in another direction. We can look at the evolutionary system and sort of determine its health. Is it sustainable, so it's not just basically collapsing in on itself or spinning out into nowhere? And I think those sort of insights about what it means for a system to be harmonious and in balance with its environment is something that if we can unify or gather those insights from a bunch of different domains, then hopefully we'll be in a better position to apply those to these big problems. That's one nice thing about being in Cognizant is you have so many different problems you're working on, is you get to see the connections between them and try to come up with general solutions that work across all of them.